Hey there, it's Brian from LOL Concepts here. Gonna tell you about a great program to help you manage all of your passwords in a secure and safe place. It also will allow you to properly create passwords that are hard to crack. And it's called Kee Pass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to search for that. It's Keepass, Kee Pass. And we have to look down here. We do see that it's over here. As we go down, here we go. So it is at keepass.info. Now, typically, anything.info, something that you should be suspect about. But in this case, keepass.info is a legitimate website of this tool that is great, works on Windows, and it will make your life a lot easier, and it will make your accounts a lot harder to crack. So we're just going to accept this cookie consent here. Cookies are little tiny pieces of data that are tracked on websites to help your sessions go well. What we're going to do here is we can go to the latest news if you want to read about it, or we're just going to go to downloads. And for me, I am on Windows 10. 64-bit. We see that we have 2.45 and 1.38. We are at we want to go with the latest one, 2.45. We could do portable, but I like to do the installable one, so just go and click on download. It will bring you to SourceForge. We're just going to wait here and it will download automatically. Don't click any buttons here. Timer counting down, there we go. And we see it downloading. Good. So now that we're done, we're going to go and click that. And we can minimize this. Or close it. You don't need to do anything else. Hopefully you're running antivirus software. It's going to scan that executable before it loads. Which is always a good idea since we are downloading this not from the Microsoft Store but from the internet, the big bad internet. Okay, so now we've got our user access control showed up here. We want to click yes. Do we want to allow this to run? If that didn't start, then you just go to your downloads folder and find it, which is right there. We're going to go with English. I'm assuming you are speaking English. So then we are going to accept the license. This is the GNU public license. You can read it if you want to. And next, the default place to put it is fine in program files x86, which is your 64-bit. So there we go. If you want to install everything, it's recommended. To associate the Kee Pass with a KDBX file extension, this is recommended. Creating a shortcut and a quick launch is a good idea. And install, that's just our summary page. So we are going. We've got our desktop icon that you see has shown up. We also should be seeing our Kee Pass here on our start. It is. If you want to, you can kind of drag that off into this panel. Dragged another copy onto my desktop, don't need that. So we will launch it. Now this is a great tool, as a matter of fact. I did spend 10 years in cybersecurity and used it every day. So we're going to enable the automatic update check. Always, you should be updating any of the software that you have. Vulnerabilities are discovered all the time, so it's important that you go and do that. So this is the main interface of the tool, and what you're going to do here is we're going to go and we can click this new icon here. We're going to be making a new database. Now this database will be the thing that's keeping all of your passwords in place, so you can click OK and put it somewhere. Name it whatever you want. Click OK. So now here is where you set a master password. So this is the only password that you need to know. And then the password is the password. You need the one password, which should be tough to guess. And it shouldn't be one that you repeat everywhere. So make it a good one. Make sure you repeat it. It's going to give you a quality here. Okay. Okay. Let's try a different one because they want me to use a different one. So let's go and try something else. Oh, try one more. Well, we're going to go with that one. So go ahead and click yes. Okay. You just put database in there, okay, and okay. Skip this emergency sheet. So here we go. These are, you can put these in general, Windows, network, internet, email. You can definitely use these folders just like you would normal folders on your computer. Typically, I will put everything in general. And what we do is, I'll show you this key. We're going to click the key here. Once we have the highlighted folder, let's just say this is, for example, Bank of America. So that's our online and geosample at example.com. That's my username. Now it's going to give you, and if you click these dots, you'll be able to see. This is a really great password, but you'll never remember what that is. So what you'll do is, if you need to change your password there, you will highlight that, and you can either right-click and copy, or Control and C to copy that, make that your new password. If you have a URL, which is like, let's say the online banking is https://olb.boa.com. Let's just say it's that. Put that in there, click OK. Once you get in there, it's important that you click the save icon. That will make sure that any changes you just made are recorded. Now, how do we use this? Say we want to go to online banking. We can right click this entry and we've got options here. If we have a URL there, we can just click that to open it, and we'll open up that URL. That's a fake URL, so it won't open, but if it's really your online banking, you can go right there. You can right click on this and copy your username. If you're not sure, it'll be in your clipboard so you can paste it. Most importantly, you don't even have to review or reveal the password if you're going to use this. You can just right click here, copy password, and if you see there's a little bar down here, this will be cleared from your clipboard in 12 seconds. So you're going to copy it from there and paste it right in to the website, and you're good to go. It's a perfect way to manage all those passwords. If we needed to change a password, what I would do is double click on my Bank of America card or account here. It brings this up, And what we would do is, if we needed to change our password, which we really should as security-minded individuals, every 60 to 90 days, if we click here with the left mouse on this key, we can open a password generator or derive from a previous password. So that just means make me a new password that's basically like the one that was there. You can do that. We reveal it. It's completely different. No computer is going to guess this on us. So remember, after we do that, we changed it. Okay. Again, this is not changing your password on Bank of America. It's changing it in your password repository. So make sure that once we've done that, we click the Save button. Little asterisk that was here disappears, and we know that we're up to date. Next time we need to log in, there you go. I recommend Kee Pass. If you don't have it, download it at keepass.info and use it. Thanks for watching.